Welcome to Kerala. Ecotourism initiatives, beautiful backwaters, serene beaches, exotic wildlife are the few wonders of surreal destination where dawn brings the mist and magic are Kerala, God's own country. Let's start by exploring rich heritage and thriving culture by visiting forts, palaces, museums, monuments and pilgrim centers. Enjoying the superb view of Arabian Sea from the tall observation tower of Bekal Fort. Delighted in the green paradise of Kerala with unending expanse of tea plantation of Vayanand. Picture yourself sailing around backwaters in a houseboat that interrupts everyone with their seductive silence. Additionally, bestowed with the best of flora and fauna in a Tharapalli waterfall that has captured the imagination of many people in the film Fraternity. Roam around the stunning Golden Beach. Rejuvenated by Kerala Ayurveda Massage Therapy. Have you heard about the spice bag of state Kerala? Here it is. Relish in thickery spice plantations. Be engrossed in the Kathakali dance performance at Kerala Kathakali Center. Escape through the hills and valley of Western Ghats to reach Thickery, the wildlife destination of Kerala. Also, watch wild animals like elephant, sambar, deer, etc. at the Periyar Reserve. Active your motor skills by trekking and camping. And don't miss out the popular Kerala cuisines. Idiyappam with curry and delicious eriseri, quite popular in Onam festival. Do you love to have a perfect sip of tea? Here understand what makes a perfect cup of tea at Tata Tea Museum. Further keep yourself engaged in devotion in the country's richest temple, Padmanabha Swami Temple in Thiruvananthapuram, worship in Janartha Swami Temple in Varkala. Scared to Lord Krishna is believed to be 2000 years old. However, besides its famous backwaters, rice paddy fields, coconut groves, elegant houseboats, and figure-licking cuisines, there is much to see and do in the spice capital of India, where Mother Nature plays entrancing tunes as the evening draws close. So, pack your bag and get yourself a reasonable Kerala tour package. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.